How can I access my old job W-2 online?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a common question that many of you may have. How can I access my old job W-2 online? We'll go through the different methods to do this, step by step, so you can access your tax information with ease.
What is a W-2 form?
First, let's clarify what a W-2 form is. A W-2 is a tax form that employers send to their employees and the IRS. It reports an employee's annual wages and the amount of taxes withheld from their paycheck. It's an essential document for filing your tax return, especially if you've switched jobs.
How do I get my W-2 from my previous employer?
Your first point of contact should be your previous employer. Many employers nowadays use payroll service providers who make these W-2 forms available online. Contact the HR department of your previous employer and ask how they distribute W-2 forms.
Can I access my W-2 online?
Absolutely. If your employer uses a payroll service, you will typically be able to access your W-2 form online. These services generally have secure websites where you can log in to view and download your W-2. If you haven't already set up an account with the payroll service, you'll need to do this first.
What if I can't access my W-2 online?
If you're having trouble accessing your W-2 online, or if your previous employer doesn't offer online access, don't worry. They are still required by law to mail you a hard copy. Make sure they have your current mailing address. If you haven't received it by the end of January, follow up with them.
Can the IRS help me get my W-2?
Yes, if you're unable to get your W-2 from your employer, you can contact the IRS. After February 15th, you can call the IRS and they will send a letter to your employer on your behalf. You'll need to provide some information, like your name, address, social security number, and details about your employer. Remember, accessing your W-2 online is typically the quickest and easiest way to get this important tax document. If that's not an option, your former employer or the IRS can provide a hard copy. We hope this video has been helpful and has guided you on how to access your old job W-2 online. Happy tax filing, everyone!